Alright guys, we're out here ice fishing today. We're going to find out, can you cook a steak on a buddy heater? So this is why you bring your friends along. It's lunchtime, and Rod, he's brought us some steaks down there in the bag. We're going to try to cook them over the buddy heater. See how that turns out for us.
Good luck.
Yep, good luck. So that's what we're starting with, some tin foil, a little bit of butter, and there's the steak.
Oh boy, it's already hot in here.
All right, we're gonna toss our steak on here. We got our butter heated up. See how this goes.
That fits perfectly.
Of course, I wouldn't do it unless it was perfect.
It's planned that way.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Oh yeah, listen to that sizzle.
Oh, you just cook up nice.
All right, we're gonna flip these steaks. See how we're doing. Oh yeah, it's not looking too bad on this end up here by the heat. We even got a little bit of crust going on that one. We're just gonna keep cooking here. We should be done in a few minutes. They're getting close. All right guys, I think our steaks are done. We're gonna pull them off, cut them up, and see if they taste good. It's got a bone on it, Spencer. This one feels more tender than the other one cut. But I could be wrong. Not too bad. Just a little pink in the middle.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Question is, does it taste good, Spencer?
Or does it taste like gasoline?
Gasoline.
Not gasoline.
Propane?
Propane. Okay.
Alright, we got Spencer here. He's going to be our official taste tester,
Oh yeah, have me taste.
being a steak connoisseur.
We're gonna
Take
see
a
if
piece, pick your piece there and tell us if it's any good.
see if it makes him sick before we eat any of it.
Yeah.
Chewy.
It's good.
Is
Is
it
it?
good?
Tastes like a steak.
Hey, that's a win. I'm gonna try this out, see what I think. Your camera's on. Yeah, I won't complain at that. I mean, I've had better steaks, but I've had a lot worse.
I can't say I've ever had a better steak out on the ice though.
Right?
That
Yeah.
is that is
It's the
pretty
best.
darn good.
Best steak I've ever had ice fishing. So
Yep.
I won't complain.
So to answer your question, is it possible to make good steak? Yes, it is.